Good morning folks, 21st Century Caveman here. Hope everybody's safe, hope everybody's well. Welcome to another video. So I'm outside the county court here in Nottingham and I've just had a really good result in a case brought against me by excelparking, aka Tossers R Us. So anyway, I will do another video to follow this up to give you the salient details, but the fact is this issue's been going on for about 1.5 years now. It finally came to a head today. St Council, who was a nice person but absolutely frigging useless, and mopped the floor with him and he got a good rodding basically. Anyway, the judge found in our favour. They found that although there was a contract in place when I entered the car park, it was void for impossibility. Basically, I've been invited into the car park, but because of the size of my vehicle, it would be impossible to comply with one of the terms of that contract. In other words, to park within a single defined parking space. So they rodded that one off, and also the judge did say that, you know, the way they actually handled this was not in accordance with the code of practice, which was to manage the parking in a fair and reasonable manner. So anyway, they immediately lodged an appeal, which was rejected by the judge. The appeal was on the basis of an error of fact, but the judge said they aren't grounds for appeal, the facts are clear and you don't have a reasonable chance of success, so therefore the appeal is denied. So basically, excelparking, stick that up your pipe hole. You got rodded by the 21st century caveman, and this is a victory for the common man. What I will do, I will put all of the salient details in a subsequent video, and I'll also show you what my defence was and the bits which saved my bacon. Anyway, thanks very much again for watching. It's a good day. I'm going to go and have a coffee. Thanks again. You take care. Bye bye.